Okay, so this says, A says I have 4 groups of negative 2/3. I mean 2 1/3, so I have 2 1/3, 2 1/3, 2 1/3, 2 1/3, and then I have a positive 7 1/6. So if I see 1, 2, 3/3, I know that makes a whole. Then I have 2, 4, 6, 8. So I know I have negative 9 and then a third left over. And I want to change that into sixths. So if I think about making this sixth, 1/3 is going to be 2/6. And then I have a positive 7 1/6. So I want to figure out what the difference is between these two. So the difference between 9 and 2/6 and 7 and 1/6. 2/6 minus 1/6 is 1/6. So it's 2 1/6, but because the 9 is bigger, it's going to be negative 2 1/6 is the answer. B, we'll do down here. B, we have negative 8, and then we have 3 groups of negative 2. 2, 4, 6, so that's going to be negative 14. Let's do C down here. We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 5 groups of negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But this says turn it around. Other direction. So these all become positives. And then this last one is negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 4 and these 4 will make a 0. And these 3 and these 3 will make a 0. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And they are positive. D. So we have 2 groups of negative 4.25. And then we have 2 groups of negative 4.25. But we're going to have to turn them around because it's negative 2 groups. So we're going to make these positive. So these 2 together make a 0. And these 2 together make a 0. So the answer for D is just 0.